Eye patch? Shay, say R. Say ahoy, matey.
Hi,
Say I need to find the bullion. Say treasure. Say you're going to the bottom of the sea. Say I. R. R. Spider? Oh.
Oh yeah, we don't need to buy fake spiders. We've got lots of real ones.
Okay. Okay, we can see the spider. Do you want to see the skulls?
Oh yeah.
You should use the real video camera.
Skulls.